So guys, for the first step, you want to head over to search and type in File Explorer Options. Click on it. Now once you're on this, you want to click on View. And then you want to scroll down and you want to make sure that Hide Extensions for Known File Types has been unticked. So you want to untick this like I have and then click on OK. Now for the second step, you want to head over to search and type in CMD. Then you want to run it as administrator. And then click on Yes. Now once you're on this, you want to type in del space/f space, and then you want to put the location of where the file is. So the file I'm going to be using is this one right here. It's on my desktop. It's called example.txt. If you would have unticked that thing earlier in the first step, then it will show you what the extension is. So for me, the extension is .txt. So now you want to head back into CMD, and after you typed in /f, you want to put a space, and then you want to type in the location of the file that you want to delete. So for me, it's on my C drive, and I'm going to put /users, then my username for my account on Windows, /desktop. Then you want to put a final /, and then you want to type in the file name. So for me, it's going to be example.txt. Click on enter. And now the file is deleted.